constantly changing. Each day is a chance to pursue new passions, set fresh goals, and fulfill lifelong dreams. A bright new day that uplifts you, inspires you, and gives you room to shine and grow. A home inspired by the rising sun and new beginnings. The Oriana, where your best life begins at home. The Oriana is quadruple A developer DMCI Homes' newest project, located along Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City. Bounded by the thriving neighborhoods of Katipunan Avenue, Anonas, and Oriana City. The Oriana is sitting at the center of a transit-oriented community. It offers you a lifestyle that is well-connected, highly productive, and at a flexible pace. Move at any time you choose, as the Oriana is close to the LRT2 Anonas and Katipunan stations, as well as the upcoming Metro Manila subway project. Be surrounded by a healthy work and play network, which includes top universities. Quality healthcare institutions, business centers, and a wide array of leisure options. Relish all these comforts while living in a place where you can enjoy the beach of the city. And also cherish moments of calm and serenity. True to DMCI Homes' signature of thematic resort-style communities, the Oriana is designed to provide a healthy and relaxing environment by fusing charming architecture and expansive spaces to enjoy the outdoors, such as lap pool, leisure pool, kiddie pool, children's play area, picnic area, covered basketball court, upper deck garden, sky promenade. The Oriana also has a reception lounge, fitness gym, and the Sky Lounge that helps you chill and unwind. Indoor facilities keep your daily needs close by. Co-working space, convenience store, laundry station, and water station. The Oriana promises to be a place of wellness and growth. Space-efficient and functional units, and its distinctive design and healthy building features to maximize natural light and cross-ventilation using the LumiVent technology design innovation. just like the rising sun that heralds the coming of a new day. The Oriana signifies a chance to start fresh and live your best life yet, today. The Oriana, rising soon in Quezon City.